Alright guys, so today we're taking the truck to Outlaw Off-Road here in Victoria, Texas. I've chosen to install the 4-inch BDS air suspension compliant lift. Go to their website, it's a really nice lift. Alright, so we're on level ground. We're going to look at the total height on it this morning on the concrete. Top of the fender, 39.5 on the front. Into the back. And we look like we're about 41.25 on the back. So lift on, those measurements, and get back to you.
What's going on, Rocky? How are you? Right? Oh, I'm doing good, doing good. I think you can't wait to check out your truck, man. I can't wait to see it. Come on inside and let me show you that kit real quick and we'll go from there. And I just want to thank you for choosing Outlaw Off-Road as letting us outfit your truck.
I appreciate y'all doing it.
And trusting us with our qualified technicians.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for choosing BDS suspension as well. We are their authorized distributor, or the local distributor for Victoria, Texas. I've got a complete kit on the wall here and describing what BDS is, what they do, their lifetime warranty, no questions asked, and also with their Protection Plus plan, which gives you peace of mind when building your truck that if the dealership will not cover the warranty, BDS Sport Trucks will also pick that up. You know, you ready to head out back and check out your truck?
Yes, sir. I sure am.
All right. Rocky, I bet you're excited to get this thing going, man.
I am. It looks sharp already. I can tell.
So this is your 2020 Ram 1500 Ecodiesel truck that we outfitted with the BDS suspension lift. And let's go over a couple details of this kit. Let me enlighten you, Rocky, about all this. So with BDS, I believe is the only company that has the 4-inch lift that works compatible with the full air ride system.
Yes,
so if you can see up here, the airbag is utilized factory with a new airbag spacer with airbag extensions, with BDS's knuckle, tie rod, and then of course you come up front, you've got the front differential, the cross member drop for the control arms. You've got a new skid plate, full metal skid plate to protect your front differential, sway bar drops, extended brake lines, every factory component that is necessary to maintain factory geometry through any angles of suspension travel. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the back here real quick, and I'd like to show you what it's doing in the rear. Again, you are maintaining full ride travel with the factory air system, with the airbag spacer kit, airbag lines. Everything is fully adjustable still from the factory. You still have all your ride heights available.
So we still got the Aero, we still got normal, off-road, and off-road 1, and I think off-road 2.
Yes, sir. They are fully compatible as factory is compatible. We did also upgrade you with the Fox 2.0 shocks, which equal a better ride quality. From BDS, they are specifically valved for this application. And per your request, we did something we normally don't do. We upgraded with the Hellwig's rear sway bar. Would you like to zoom in on that video real quick and check out the sway bar?
I'll just say this about the Hellwig sway bar. I've reviews from Amazon, 5th gen Rams, any of the sites you look at, it's nothing but 5-star reviews. Everybody says it's one of the best adders you can put on this truck. So appreciate Justin ordering that in for me and getting it put on with the lift. I think it's going to make it tow better, and it's going to have a nice feel to it, like straight on rails instead of a little bit squishy.
Let's look at these tires and wheels we chose. You chose for this build. You went with the 35 1250 22 Nitto Ridge Grapplers on the 22x10 fuel. What are they?
Assault.
Fuel Assault with it, and they're the 2-piece wheels as well.
Correct.
So that not only makes the wheel stronger, it also has able to have the two-tone design between the chrome and the gloss black and milled, because it is a true 2-piece wheel. Of course, there's the dual drill bolt pattern, 6-lug GM, 6-lug forward, and perfect offset. Clears the truck with no trimming whatsoever at any ride height. And again, this should be a better than factory ride with these components all set up on this truck. I bet you cannot wait to test drive this thing.
I can't wait to see how it does. And I took measurements this morning, which you'll see that in the video. We get done, we're gonna break down each one of those measurements for y'all in Aero, normal, and off-road, so y'all can see the differences in the heights.
And also, as a side note, I'm going to recommend y'all following Outlaw Off-Road of Texas on YouTube as well, and checking out all our social media channels on Instagram and Facebook, Outlaw Off-Road of Texas, and our website, outlawoffroadoftexas.com. And
But guys, I came in today
And they had this whole lift laid out. You can tell they've got their jobs laid out. Just very clean work. I can tell them the shop's clean, mechanics work very clean. Feel really good about getting my truck done.
Well, I have been at this for 20 years, Rocky.
Yes, you have. Yes, you have.
And I started off in my parents' house, and I've grown this business into a 7,500 square foot facility. I've got some great employees. We're up to about 8 employees now, and we give back to the community as much as possible.
Yes, sir.
And again, I appreciate your repeat business.
Your business.
And well, let's get this thing on the ground here in a couple seconds, and we're gonna get some walk around video of it outside. Rocky, here is your baby, man.
Looks good, man. I like it. All the wheels on it, tires on it.
Sharp. So again, this is a 4-inch BDS air ride suspension kit with BDS suspension. Lifetime warranty, no questions asked for BDS suspension. And it also has their Factory Plus powertrain protection, which if the dealership will not cover a vehicle warranty, BDS will pick up the tab. That is very important, Rocky, for security of mind, for as expensive as these vehicles are these days. You gonna take some measurements real quick?
Yeah, so when I brought the truck in and we first dropped it off, first thing we walked in the door, we did measurements in normal. And so I'm gonna give you all those measurements because I know a lot of y'all want to park in the parking garage at work or in your garage at the house. So we're gonna give you those total numbers. Same thing we had before on level concrete. We're sitting at 44.5 on the front. And we're at 44 and about 3/4 on the back. So we're almost perfectly, I mean, with the 1/4-inch rake. And guys, that's not, we can still drop it down to aero, and we can still drop it down to entry exit level, which is probably gonna drop it another inch, inch and a half. We'll grab that for you in a little bit. But I'll let Justin finish for now.
Again, Rocky, we appreciate you entrusting us, Outlaw Off-Road, to build this beautiful brand new truck of yours. This 2020 limited Ram Ecodiesel half-ton with full air ride suspension front and rear. And running these 35, 22 Nitto Ridge Grapplers on these fuel wheels, man. It looks sharp, and again, I appreciate the business, bro.
Thank you.
All right,
Appreciate
take care,
it.
man. Have a good day. You too.
All right, guys, so we're at Outlaw Off-Road here in Victoria, Texas this morning. Guys are fixing to put the third member in, putting the cross sections in. This is the 4-inch BDS kit. There's a third member section right here removed. See. And he's marking the bracket right now. This is the, I think this is the only bracket you got to cut right on the factory.
That was 3 inches. This one, inch and right here. Inch and what? Right on this right here.
Got to make a small modification to that bracket for this lift, but that's really the only modifications that have to be done to the
Inch and 3/4, but
truck.
always cut it right here on the rig.